YHC stock analysis and price predictions for Tuesday and onward is LQR House stock buy. I'm going to be breaking all of it down in this brief and short 1-minute video. Now, regarding 22nd of July and onward, bro, this is melting, honestly. Like 30% down is a lot. And I myself having done 43,000 videos, I've seen what's printing and making me money. I mean, ultimately speaking, it's not that I'm gonna come here sell. It's just I'm trying to be like realistic a bit here. In my previous prediction on the sell side and the likelihood of it continuing has absolutely been on point. And now we even have a more like a prominent of a bearish market, man, and range. So if there's break above 250, then it may only then I'm actually gonna look to buy. But if not, like for example, if there's like a double break here, then we'll look to take it further down. But other than that, like I'm not gonna be randomly selling whatsoever. It's just the double break must be met. And I'm gonna be 100% like, let's call a spade for spade. I do not prefer shorts, you know, I prefer longs. So there's far better opportunities than me trying to force a sell side here, you know, in this type of market with this big of a gap, you know what I mean? So it's just a bearish bias. Now let me know what is your opinion, and if you want to get my money making emails and insights for free, click the first link in the description and I'll keep you updated.